Today I'm going to be making whole wheat macaroni with frozen vegetables and tomato paste. Let's get started. First, I put water in the pot. Usually, most of the time, I boil the water first, but I found that it doesn't do any harm times when I've thrown the macaroni in right at the beginning, and I think I'm going to do it that way this time. Now, for the frozen vegetables. For frozen vegetables, I like to use this Arctic Garden spaghetti mix. It has onions, celery, carrots, green bell peppers, and red bell peppers. Sometimes it gets a little too frozen. Okay, and then I add some spices. I like to put some garlic powder. Then, whatever other sort of spice you like. I like the taste of this cocoa chili blend. It has cocoa powder, sugar, chipotle pepper, and paprika. It's hot, but not super hot. It has like a smoked flavor. Okay, now that's ready to put on this stove and be boiled. Careful not to breathe that in. Now that things are starting to warm up a bit, you can give that a bit of a stir. Make sure it doesn't stick. Smells good.